Since 1965, Carotek has been a trusted leader in process equipment solutions, serving industrial, municipal, and commercial markets across North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia, and Tennessee. At Carotek, we represent over 65 globally recognized manufacturers of process equipment offering pumps, blowers, and vacuum pumps, instrumentation, valves and actuators, filtration, steam, air, and hydronic systems, municipal products, process skids, seal pots, and control panels. But we're more than just equipment. We're your 24/7 process solutions partner. From instrumentation calibration, field service and startup services, to valve automation, pump and blower repair, Carotek delivers solutions you can count on. In our 55,000 square foot state-of-the-art facilities, we design and build custom process equipment skids, control panels and automation packages, and seal pots, tailored to meet the demands of diverse industries. At our Matthews, North Carolina location, the process training unit takes hands-on learning to the next level. This fully operational mini process plant is equipped with over 130 cutting-edge instruments communicating on protocols like HART, Profibus, Foundation Field Bus, Ethernet IP, and wireless, as well as the latest pumps, valves, control panels, and more. We're proud to be part of the SunSource family, a name synonymous with innovation for nearly a century. With 240-plus locations across North America, including 150-plus service, repair, and fabrication centers, SunSource delivers cutting-edge solutions to reduce manufacturing costs, boost productivity, and keep operations running seamlessly. Carotek's team are problem solvers, innovators, and partners in your success. Carotek, the power of solutions. Explore Carotek.com to learn more.